Owen's world. Magic moments wherever he goes. Go on, grab some snacks and sit back, relax, and let's start the show. Owen's world.
Foreign,
Huh.
you can go anywhere.
I want to go that way.
Let's go. I'm following you. You trying to open the door? Let me see if I can open it. I'll let you.
That's fire. Wow.
You trying to drive it right now?
What happened to this? What happened to this?
That car doesn't drive. You have to drive it at home.
This car.
You want to try a different one? Born. Okay, I'm gonna put you down, and we're gonna go touch the tires. Hello. And we're gonna go touch the tires. Don't push the tires. Touch it like this. Okay, let's touch the tires. Those are the big tires. Those are big tires.
1, 2,
3.
4,
Okay.
5,
Okay.
6,
Yes.
7, 8, 9,
Wait, do you feel this?
10.
You see the hair? That's hair. The tires have hair. Nice.
Tickle me.
That tickled me too. No, you're not strong enough yet.
This one.
These are too big. These are monster truck tires. These. Slow, slow, slow. Thank you. Slow, 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 slow. This is nice.
I should go this way.
Look. You want to see inside? Let's go look inside of it. Look at the lights. But look inside this one. It's a big TV on there.
Yeah, go.
Oh, and it's a camera.
Yeah, why?
So they can see the street when they're driving. And it's another camera.
Here. Why?
So they can see. Let's see if we can see another camera.
Look at that one.
Oh, we found the last camera. Say hi.
Hi. It's Texas. It's hot.
This car is called a Tesla Cybertruck.
A balloon. I want to get it.
The balloon?
Yeah.
It's for the car. Let's keep it in the car. You said hi.
Hi.
You're kicking us, man. Every time.
Or you lift it up.
And you can take the balloon. This balloon is yours.
The big balloon. You got the balloon?
Happy.
Yes.
Happy. Happy. Look.
Uh-oh.
Huh. What's it going to... Hey, come here, get me. I got it.
I got it.
Look. Go.
This isn't...
Get it. Oh,
Yeah, show mommy the smiley face.
smiley face. Ooh.
This one looks really fast.
Yeah.
This one looks really, really fast.
I like that one. Really
Don't touch
fast.
the one. Which one? Yeah, this one. This is the one that we see on YouTube when it's racing. And it has red seats on the inside. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Oh, you gotta give me this. And this is like Daddy's car in America. Let's go look at this one. This is like the car from Cars, the movie. The A Porsche.
The bird.
Look how nice this. You like this one?
Yeah.
This is the chip, the microchip that they use to power the cars. A Jeep.
You got other one.
Where? Here? You want to get inside of a car? Another car?
Yeah. I also play basketball.
Where basketball where? Watch your big head.
This is this way.
Let's get in. Yes, let's get inside. I'm gonna get in, then I'm gonna pull you in. Ooh.
Ooh, I need to go.
Let me back it up, cause
Ooh,
Daddy.
I need to go.
Wait, Daddy's
Born.
legs are in the way.
You come here, and we drive.
Okay.
We're about to take off.
They got to take off.
But the balloon. Now this is more like it. That says the door is open. Daddy's driving the car. Make car noises.
Car noise.
Beep, beep, beep. Honk, honk. Beep, beep.
I really do. Hit the ball. And I kick the ball to mommy. Now your turn.
Okay, come on.
No, I didn't win.
You can throw it to me.
I win! I win!
You ready to go bye-bye?
Thank you for watching. Click my next video.